With over $80,000 in updates, this home is move-in ready. Where style meets design, welcome to your Sylva Mountain Retreat. Step inside to an open living area. Comfortable bedrooms, and a cool reading loft. And a bonus basement to relax. With a new heating and cooling system and wraparound deck, with the feeling of being in the treetops. And only moments from the famous Tuckasegee River, most iconic and well known for its fly fishing and water sports. Come experience Sylva, North Carolina.